Yo, what's going on, y'all? Is y'all chicken checking in? Give me just a moment. Yeah, I'm back. Sorry about that, y'all. Yeah, I want to apologize about. I did a video yesterday on USD JPY, and I had it private, and I didn't know I had it private. So nobody got a chance to watch this video. But if you watch the video, you will see that I told you that the market was going to do a big move. And what did it do today? What did it do today? A 70 pip drop. So I mean, I called it out. I called it right. I knew it was gonna do a big move. It came and it did. I just want to let you know that my analysis was good on it. My analysis was good on it. I knew that it was gonna do a drop. But I'm gonna go back and rewatch my video, what I said, and you guys will get an idea. But just a little quick update. This is what I drew yesterday, and I knew it was gonna end up breaking this trend line, and it did, and it broke it tremendously. It won several trades right here. I caught the trade right here before I went to sleep, but I didn't do nothing but I think an hour, maybe. So maybe I did like a 4 o'clock, maybe a 5 o'clock. But I won a trade. I wish I would have continued to watch this. I could have traded this today, but I had business I had to attend to this morning. So I went and laid it down and got up at 6:30, 7 o'clock, and went and made my moves. And I'm actually just getting home maybe an hour or so ago, right before the market, the futures market closed early at 4 o'clock. So I just came in right then. So maybe a little bit over an hour. But as you can see, look at the trade. 10-minute chart. I am correct. But I'm not going to make this video long, so I'll let you check it out.